Hello, I'm Jeremy Davison with MarineMax Sail and Ski Austin, and we just got in this 2021 Bayliner Element M15. This is the first one we've got, and this is a new boat for 2021. Let's take a look at it. This boat's black, so it has the optional EXL package. The boat comes standard in white. If you upgrade to the EXL package, it comes in black or red. This boat also has they come standard with a 40 horse. This one's been upgraded to a 50 horsepower Mercury. And the Mercury's come with a 3-year warranty on their outboards. So with the EXL package, you do get a sea deck inside the boat and on the back of it here. This boat with the 50 horsepower motor weighs about 1,430 pounds. On the 40 horsepower engine, it weighs about 1,385 pounds. This is a great boat if you want to put it in your garage. It's got a swinging tongue on the trailer. Super lightweight, easy to tow. You know, a boat this size is great, you know, if you're just wanting to get out on the lake and get back into some coves that a lot of the bigger boats can't get into. You can get back there and have more privacy. Boat comes with a 12-gallon fuel tank. They're very fuel efficient. Just an easy boat to maneuver in on and off the water. This boat's rated for 5 people. It has a 12-gallon fuel tank. It's located right underneath the center seat there. The other seats have storage underneath both sides. On the smaller seats, you have storage inside of here. And all the storage compartments have drain holes. You can see the sea deck on the inside with the EXL package. Also with the EXL package, you get the Jensen stereo, 2 speakers, depth finder is part of the EXL package, and also the bimini. The mooring cover comes with an EXL package, and also a filler cushion goes in right there, which we'll show that in a minute. There's a good amount of room in this boat. Seating everywhere. Ergonomics are good at the driver's seat at the helm. A lot of leg room. You got your USB audio import right here. 12 volt right there as well. Cup holders. This one's got an optional ski pylon. Great layout on the boat though. A little bow filler cushion in, and it's got a lot of space. I mean, I'm 5'11", and you know, I can't reach across here, but great cushions everywhere. I like the way they changed up their cushions in 2021. They changed the stitching up. The material on the top is different. The little inserts. Good layout on the boat. So this Bayliner M15 has an MSRP just under 20 grand, including all the options, the upgraded motor, the EXL package, the ski pylon. It does come with a trailer. If you have any questions about it, please give me a call, 512-924-7065. Thank you.